What is this? Cosmetic, makeup products, and a makeup bag. What is this? Rose Dio lipstick. What is this? Makeup palette or a blush palette. What is this? Makeup brushes and compact of cosmetic such as bronzer or blush. What is this? Lacquer Hydrogen Anti-Stress Moisturizing Cream Gel. What is this? Cosmetic serum, and it is also called oil dropper bottle. What is this? Makeup sponges or beauty blenders. What is this? Leopard print hair bow. What is this? Mascara. What is this? Foundation. Makeup brush. What is this? Glitter. What is this? Lip gloss or lip lacquer. What is this? Rainbow lipstick. What is this? Real Siam facelift serum. What is this? Guerlain Meteorites Boys Exceptional Pressed Powder. What is this? Nail polish, also known as nail varnish.